So in this video we are going to see how to search an element in an array. Like this is the sample input. Here it is given off with sample elements. So we need to search 30 among these. So for this purpose, let us take a few variables of int data type. Let a of be like size 10. Let enter the size of the array. Let it be. So the enter the size I am going to scan in the one variable. Let it be a size. Going to scan in the size variable using scanf statement. Now in this printf statement I am advising user like enter the elements of the array. Using for loop I am going to scan the elements of the array. Like for to initialize for, let us take another variable. Let it be a I. So I is starting from the index 0, I less than the size. Now in these brackets of the for I am using scanf statement. This is how I am taking the elements from the user to this array. Now after the completion of this for, after scanning I am advising user like this: enter a number to be searched. To store this the entered number, let us take another variable, like let it be a num. So I am scanning the entered number into the num variable. Now what I am going to do, like using same for loop, like similar of this for loop, let us take here for loop, let us take one if condition. Now I am writing the condition like is a of I is matching with the num or not. I am checking here. Printf statement I am declaring like if the num is matching with the a of I, like I am then in this printf I am giving like this: the num is found at the index, let it be. So here I am printing the index number also. So after finding the number, then what I am going to do like is I am breaking the iterations like this. I am breaking this for loop. So this is the code for to if the number is found. Suppose if the number is not found, then we need to write the code like in the brackets of if. I am giving the condition like if the variable I is increased to up to the size, then it is a meaning like the number is not found. So I am giving here like the variable I is increased to the size, then in the brackets of this if I am declaring like printf the number is not found, let it be. So now if I run the program, you can see here it is asking enter the size of the array. Sample input is of size like 5. I am giving here is 5. Then it is asking enter the elements of the array. I am entering the given sample input elements. Like so again if I press enter, you can see here it is asking enter the num to be searched. So here it is given we need to search the number is 30. So I am giving here 30. Now if I press enter, you can see here the num is found at the index 4. So the 30 is matching with the elements of the array. So let us check for another values. I am giving let it be a 50. The number let it be a 50. Now if I press enter, you can see here the num is